Good morning, dear students. After learning about small business, continuing with the same unit, now we are going to start the concept of entrepreneurship development. To understand this concept in detail, first we'll have to understand three terms: entrepreneur, enterprise, and entrepreneurship. In this video, we'll learn about these three terms. So let's begin. Always remember, entrepreneur and businessman, these both are different people. Many people use the terms synonymously, but actually they have a difference. The two terms which we understand, both of these terms are different. Let's understand who is an entrepreneur, and then I'll explain you how is he different from a business person. Entrepreneur is derived from the French word entreprendre, that means to undertake. So an individual who takes the risk of starting a new enterprise, starting a new enterprise, transforms situation into opportunity. He is the catalytic agent of change. He starts his own enterprise, undertakes moderate risk, and is aware of any uncertainty that might happen. Such a person is creative, he is innovative, and has strong urge to be independent. He goes out of the way to try to do something better, does not prefer routine activities, is determined, and exhibits a sense of leadership, has a sense of competitiveness. Now see, you might have seen that all these features are the features of business person. But how the entrepreneur is different from a businessman? An entrepreneur, he initiates, he brings something innovative in the market, and he is the first one to bring the change in the market, to produce something new, to give something new to the society which is already not existing. For example, many cosmetics are available in the market to be purchased by the consumers, but a person who realized that all these cosmetics are using the chemicals, and therefore I should be the one to come forward to introduce herbal cosmetics. So Shehnaz Hussain, she was the first one to introduce herbal cosmetics in this cosmetic industry. This way she gave something new to the society, and then further, when she was accepted, when her enterprise was accepted, when her products were accepted, many people started copying, and many people launched their own herbal products with the different brand names. So all those people who copied her idea, they are called the business person. But the one who initiated the change, one who brought the change, one who gave something new to the society, is known as an entrepreneur. Another thing what you need to remember is, till the product which is introduced for the first time in the society, till that product is accepted by the society, the person will not be called the entrepreneur. For a person to be called an entrepreneur, it is necessary that the person's product or the idea or the service provided by the person, that should be fully accepted by the society, and that should bring a new change in the society. Now, on copying the person, if people start earning profits, if people launch their own products, give their own brand name with the same idea as was given by the entrepreneur for the first time, all the people who follow the entrepreneur, they become the business persons. But the one who initiates the idea, who takes the risk, will be called as an entrepreneur. I hope that the meaning is clear to you. As per Joseph Schumpeter, entrepreneurs are innovators. They bring something new to the society, who use the process of entrepreneurship to shatter the status quo of existing products and services, to set new products and new services. This way, you learn the definition of entrepreneurs. Who is an entrepreneur? Understand the term. Another person who gave, that is according to Peter F. Drucker, an entrepreneur is one who always searches for changes, something which is not at all existing in the society, responds to it and exploits it as an opportunity, and therefore the person brings something new to the society, till the product is accepted, whatsoever is brought by in the society by the innovator, by the entrepreneur, till the product is accepted, till the society starts using, until that change is adopted by the society, the person will not be known as an entrepreneur. You will have to remember this thing. Now students, you might not find all these topics in your NCERT. You will have to search from your help books. Maybe you get in those help books, because I have compiled all these topics from different areas. Next term, I hope that the entrepreneur, that is first term, is clear to you. Another term is, what is an enterprise? Enterprise is the framework within which what to produce, how to produce, when to produce is decided by the owner. So that framework is called an enterprise. Three features of the enterprise now. Enterprise consists of team of people who work for making and or selling a product or a service. So firstly, an enterprise consists of a team. Secondly, an enterprise includes inputs such as men, money, material. Men is a human resource, money is the financial resource, machine is the physical resource. So without these three resources, an enterprise cannot run. So enterprise includes the inputs, man, money, material. You can call them 3 M's, and these are used to produce the given output, to produce a given product or a service or an idea. Moreover, an enterprise is a continuing entity, not the one which has already stopped producing. Enterprise will always be a continuing entity. So I hope that these two terms are clear to you. One is entrepreneur, the person who initiates the change, who brings something new to the society. And the second term is enterprise, that is such an ongoing entity which includes man, money, material, and makes a framework with a team of people is an enterprise. Several initiatives and constitutive policy measures are taken by the Government of India to foster a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship in our country. So government is also supporting entrepreneurship. Government wants people to come forward to give their ideas, views, so that something new can be given to the society. Few of the initiatives as per the government schemes, they are Startup India, then Make in India, Support to Training and Employment Program for Women, Digital India, Trade Related, Entrepreneurship Assistance and Development, Science for Equity Empowerment and Development. These are few examples. These are few initiatives taken by the government to improve, to encourage the entrepreneurship, the concept of entrepreneurship in our country. Now let us understand the third term. Firstly, we learned a person who initiates the change in the society is the entrepreneur. Secondly, we learned that now the team of people who make a framework, who use the inputs in the form of man, money, material, and who makes an ongoing concern for the production, they create an enterprise. They create an entity. Now, what is an entrepreneurship? To create an enterprise by the entrepreneur, a process is followed. That particular process, that systematic innovation, the process of systematic innovation, that includes purposeful and organized search for changes that might create economic or social transformation. कुछ नया आ रहा है सोसाइटी में, तो वो प्रोसेस जिसकी वजह से, वो प्रोसेस जिसके कारण सोसाइटी में चेंज आएगा, मॉनिटरी सिचुएशंस में चेंज आएगा इकोनॉमी में, उसको एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बोला जाता है. उस प्रोसेस को एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बोला जाता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू जेफरी Timmons, entrepreneurship is the ability to create and build something from practically nothing, something which is not at all existing in the society, and now an entrepreneur, he introduces a change. That change, that process which helps to initiate the change, that process is the process of entrepreneurship. Now in this last slide, we learn what is the difference, what is the relation between these three terms. First term is entrepreneur. Let us see an entrepreneur. Who is an entrepreneur? A person who starts an enterprise. Now this person who is starting an enterprise, this person is initiating a change in the society. he is giving something new to the society, but he can give this innovative idea. He can introduce a new product in the society using a particular process. This process is called entrepreneurship. With the help of this process, when the result, that is the outcome, is in the form of an ongoing entity, that is called the enterprise. So we learned the relation. वो पर्सन जिसने कुछ भी सोसाइटी को नया दिया और उसके कारण से, बिकॉज ही गेव समथिंग न्यू टू द सोसाइटी, व्हाट हैपेंड, देयर वाज अ न्यू चेंज. सोसाइटी बदली, सोसाइटी ने कुछ नया एक्सेप्ट किया. वो पर्सन है एंटरप्रेन्योर. एंटरप्रेन्योर ने जो प्रोसेस फॉलो किया, उस प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. और इस प्रोसेस को फॉलो करने पर जो एग्जिस्टिंग एंटिटी आई, दैट इज जो एस्टैब्लिश हुआ, जो फ्रेमवर्क बना, जहां पर मैन मनी मटेरियल को इकट्ठा किया गया, उसको बोला जाता है एंटरप्राइज. I hope that you are clear with these three terms. Next, we'll understand about the need of entrepreneurship, about the process, etc. Thank you.